We have great news. Guess who's coming to the Sounds and Silences event on Saturday, December 14th? The Bartow Community Choir. You have probably heard Bartow Community Choir sing at the L.B. Brown Festival or events in downtown Bartow, and you already know how anointed this group is. Be sure to come on Saturday, December 14th to hear the Bartow Community Choir. The Bartow Community Choir is sure to put you in the Christmas spirit. A talented group of people with a lot of passion, and we guarantee that you will be blessed. There are 2 dates for Sounds and Silences, Friday, December 13th and Saturday, December 14th, both at noon. Sounds and Silences is held at the First United Methodist Church at 310 South Broadway, just south of downtown. Let's celebrate Christmas as a community.
Merry Christmas, baby.